Hey guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be turning this to this. So the plan is to make half my face into a skeleton and the other half into like just nice, normal sort of nighttime glam. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to grab the face paint and we'll start with this bit. So I'm going to start with the white and basically just turn this part completely white and then go in and do the detail with the black and maybe even some red. We'll see what I'm fancying. So I'm going to get this a bit wet first. So unfortunately the smallest paintbrush I own is this size, which means I'm going to have to draw it on, and then I'm sacrificing a beauty blender, it's an old one so it's fine, to do the main bulk of the face, but I thought I'd better outline it first, so let's do it. So that's the white all done, and all I've done is I've outlined roughly in white still where I want the black to go, just so, if you mess up the black, you're gonna have to just start again. So by outlining it in white, it prevents that from happening. And you can still see where it is, roughly. So I'm just gonna do the smile thing now in black. So that's the black bits roughly done, so I'm now going to grab the white and outline what I've done and also add in the teeth on top. So I did my lips all in black just because I just thought it would be a nicer look, and I'm going to draw the teeth on top, so wish me luck. So I've added all the black and then I've added dots where I want the teeth to go, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the teeth in sort of a grey white, just because they're going to go over white and black, so it doesn't really work doing them in one colour. So I'm going to mix that up now. But that's the colour I've created to do the teeth. So that's the teeth outlined. I'm now going to colour them in white and also remove these dots down here because I did them a bit too far down. So I'm going to take those off, colour the teeth in, and then we're pretty much done. Oh, and I might outline the nose a bit, so. This is how it turned out. I'm pretty chuffed with it. I accidentally didn't clean my brush properly when I changed from black to white, meaning we've got some like grey streaks, but then I sort of added to it and now we've got like this artistic skull flare, which I'm kind of liking. So I'm going to go do my eye makeup now and then I'll be back so you can see the finished look. So that's the finished look. I just went for sort of like a simple red to shimmer to black smoky eye. Don't really know how to describe it, but it matches the half of my face that's all done up basically. Well, it doesn't match, but as in the dark colours go basically. So I'm now going to go jump into my outfit and then I'll be back. So this is the whole look. So I've got the face to match the outfit, and then the outfit also came with these really cool like long gloves, and I just got this from my local what's it called, costume shop, that's what I'm thinking of, but I'll try and find a similar one and link it down below. But it's just this really nice halter neck one, and then all the bones are sort of like white and grey, and I don't know, I just really like it, and the gloves are really cool. Like, I think that's such a nice extra to have. So yeah, this is the finished look. Don't look scary. So it's currently Halloween. I'm aware I'm posting this video a little bit late, but I thought I might as well film the actual get ready with me because this is exactly how I am for Halloween. So I thought you guys would like to see that, but nonetheless, that is today's video. So I do hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of my Halloween outfit and whether I want to know what you guys are going as, so let me know in the comments. But apart from that, that's today's video. All my social links will be down below and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.